swanky skyscrapers with sea-facing properties having sea-link view, improved connectivity with CBD Bandra Kurla complex and luxury homes. I'm sure you must have guessed it by now that I'm talking about Mumbai's Worli. Welcome to your favorite show, This Locality That Project. I am Neha Nagpal and today I will review Worli और हम बात करेंगे इस एरिया के सोशल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बारे में, रोड कनेक्टिविटी के बारे में, किस तरीके से पिछले 5-6 साल में यहाँ की कनेक्टिविटी इंप्रूव हुई है और यहाँ पे किस तरीके की प्रॉपर्टीज अवेलेबल हैं और क्यों है ये मुंबई की वन ऑफ द प्रीमियम रेजिडेंशियल लोकेलिटी। आइए देखते हैं। Originally, Worli was a separate island, one of the 7 islands of Bombay. And today it is one of the most expensive residential destination of Mumbai, located in the south part of the city. So why there is a premium tag attached to Worli? The major reasons are sea-facing view. The maximum stretch on Worli offers sea-facing view which demands premium in Mumbai. Location advantage. The construction of Sea-Link provides the easy and traffic-free drive to Bandra and western suburbs of the city. Not only this area is considered to be a central point between the two significant commercial hubs of the city, which is CBD Nariman Point and BKC, the Bandra Kurla complex. So if you're working in these areas and buying or renting a home in Worli, then you can reach to your office within 20 to 25 minutes.
The area extends from Haji Ali to Prabha Devi. It is bounded by the Arabian Sea to the west and the neighborhoods of Haji Ali to the south. Other important roads in and around the locality are Dr. N.E. Besant Road, Lala Lajpat Rai Marg and Ganpat Rao Kadam Marg. The area also offers easy links with airport and key local railway stations. Mahalakshmi is the nearest railway station, which is situated about 3 kilometers away. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is about 14 kilometers away, and through Sea-Link you can reach there in about 25 minutes. Black yellow taxis and private cabs can be seen plying through the area, helping you connect to other parts of the city. Apart from that, the service from the best buses are also available here. The upcoming Line 3 Colaba Seeps of Mumbai Metro would bring in metro connectivity here. The line is expected to be completed by 2021, which will add to the premiumness of the locality. Currently, the metro work leads to the traffic chaos in the area.
The area boasts about various facilities and amenities with reputed schools, hospitals and shopping destinations. You will also find various shops and markets crowded with people at evening hours.
High Street Phoenix Mall and Atria Mall are just about 10 minutes away. You will find several markets and shops in and around the locality crowded with people in evening hours. D.Y. Patil International and Podar International are some of the schools you will find within 3 kilometers. Hospitals like Jaslok Hospital Research Center are situated within 2 kilometers of the distance.
Places such as Nehru Science Center and Parimal Museum of Art are located within 2 to 3 kilometers, keeping the old charm intact of the locality.
For safety and security, Worli Police Station is located within the area. You will also see barricades and policemen patrolling in the locality.
Apart from the improved social and physical infrastructure, Worli's high potential also derives significantly from the presence of Grade A office spaces and retail development around it.
Major ones are Peninsula Corporate Park and One Indiabulls Center.
It is one of the premium residential destinations in Mumbai, hence celebrities like Akshay Kumar, Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone owns a home here. Worli Sea faces one of the most expensive stretch in the city to buy a property. Hence you have to pay the premium of minimum 20% to enjoy that view. तो यहाँ पे आपको ज़्यादातर luxury apartments या luxury properties ही मिलेंगी. Lately, this locality was also in use for having unsold stock and the string of almost empty skyscrapers. This was mainly due to the drag of luxury home sales in the last 5 to 8 years. There are over 10 developers present in Worli. The prominent ones are Omkar Group, Lodha, Indiabulls and Ansal Housing. यहाँ पे आपको मेजरली मल्टी स्टोरी अपार्टमेंट्स ही मिलेंगे। मैजिक ब्रिक्स डेटा के हिसाब से जिसकी सप्लाई 99.7% है। कुछ रेजिडेंशियल हाउसेज हैं जो कि सी फेसिंग है, जिसकी सप्लाई 0.3% है। Over 66% of apartments here are 3 BHK and are easy to find, while the supply of 2 BHK apartments stands at 29.8%, and 1 BHK are available in negligible in number at 3.3%. 1 BHK of sizes 300 to 850 square feet is available in the price range of 1.45 crore to 3.40 crore, while a 2 BHK of sizes between 750 square feet to 1750 square feet are available in the budget range of 2 crore 60 lakh to 6 crore 15 lakh. And a 3 BHK of sizes 1200 square feet to 2820 square feet is available in the price range of 4 crore 55 lakh to 11 crore. For rent, you will find 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK option. For that, you need to shell out between 40,000 to 4 lakh per month. The most preferred property type for sale here is a 3 BHK apartment, while for rent, people here are preferring a 1 BHK option. Those who cannot afford to buy in Worli, there is a good news for them. Mahara have decided to reinitiate their redevelopment project in the locality, which is called BDD Chawl Redevelopment Project. This project was stuck for 14 years for various political and technical reasons. In 2018, Tata Capacity has won the tender to construct the project.
It will be completed in 5 phases in next 8 years, which is by the year 2027.
So what does a working Mumbaiker desire? An efficient mode of transport to reach their workplace, a hassle-free route, good livability. Worli offers all. So a quick wrap up on the locality. Good connectivity. Worli Bandra Ceiling offers easy accessibility to the airport, western suburbs of the city, and also the prominent job hub of Mumbai. Important commercial hubs nearby. If you stay in this locality, it reduces the travel time to a large extent to your workplace, and it matters in Mumbai. All charm and culture intact. Living in an area in South Mumbai has certain charm. From auditorium to museum to concert venues, Worli have them all. Premium tag. The neighborhoods are posh and are still within a stone's throw away of all conveniences. The people you rub shoulder with are those who are highest in hierarchy. These are industrialists, businessmen and celebrities. You name them, you get them here. I hope you like this review. If you have any query on Worli or any other locality in Mumbai, do write to me on my Twitter handle, which is @NehaNagpal. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can send in your queries in the comment section below this video. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Please Magic Bricks को YouTube पे सब्सक्राइब करिए और नए वीडियोस के लिए बेल आइकन दबाइए.